Tradelle versus AutoDS. Which is better? Links to both platforms are in the description below. Let's get straight into the comparison. In this video, we're going to look at Tradelle and AutoDS, two popular tools in the dropshipping space. Which one should you choose for your business? Let's break down the features, who they're made for, and the pros and cons of each. Starting with Tradelle, this platform is designed with a strong focus on product research and supplier management. It's particularly well known for its supplier verification system, ensuring that you're only working with reliable suppliers. This is crucial for avoiding common dropshipping pitfalls like delayed shipping or low-quality products. Tradelle's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to search for trending products and filter suppliers based on various criteria. It's a solid choice for dropshippers who prioritize reliability and straightforward product management. Now, let's talk about AutoDS. AutoDS is a more comprehensive dropshipping tool that automates much of the business process. It covers everything from product research and listing to order fulfillment and price optimization. One of AutoDS's biggest advantages is its automation capabilities. It can automatically monitor price changes, track inventory, and even fulfill orders for you, which can save a lot of time and reduce the risk of errors. AutoDS also integrates with multiple suppliers and marketplaces, giving you a wider range of products and the ability to scale your operations more effectively. Who are these platforms for? Tradelle is best suited for those who are either new to dropshipping or prefer a hands-on approach with a focus on quality and reliability. If you're looking to maintain control over supplier selection and want to ensure you're working with trusted partners, Tradelle is a great fit. AutoDS, on the other hand, is ideal for more experienced dropshippers or those who want to scale their business quickly. If you're looking for a tool that can handle a lot of the day-to-day operations, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth, AutoDS offers the automation and features you need. Pros and cons. Tradelle offers a more curated approach, which is excellent for quality control, but may limit you if you're looking to expand rapidly or need more advanced features. AutoDS provides powerful automation and scalability, but it might feel overwhelming if you're not comfortable with more complex tools or if you're just starting out. Final verdict. If you're focused on building a reliable, quality-driven dropshipping business with strong supplier relationships, Tradelle is the way to go. However, if you're looking to automate your operations and scale your business efficiently, AutoDS is the better option. Both platforms have their strengths, so the choice really depends on your business needs and goals. That's it for today's comparison. Make sure to check the links in the description for more details on each platform. If this video helped you decide, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and comparisons in the dropshipping space.